Welcome to my channel, University of Universe.
Huawei has announced the launch of its three-way foldable smartphone, Mate XT.
Hi. Imagine holding the future of smartphones in your hands, a device that folds 3 times, transforming from a sleek phone to a tablet with just a flick of your wrist. Huawei's Mate XT isn't just a smartphone, it's a revolutionary leap forward in mobile technology, challenging every assumption about what a smartphone can be. Unveiled in a striking move that aligned with Apple's latest iPhone launch, this trifold wonder redefines mobile tech innovation. With a premium price tag of $2,800, the Mate XT has already amassed over 6.5 million pre-orders, breaking expectations and leaving competitors in a race to catch up. But what makes this device so extraordinary? Join us as we dive into the unique features, intense market competition, and cultural shifts Huawei's Mate XT is igniting in the tech world. A new era in smartphone design. How does the Mate XT's groundbreaking design set it apart from other smartphones? Huawei's Mate XT is a bold statement in design and functionality, offering much more than a typical smartphone. With its trifold mechanism, the Mate XT transforms into a stunning 10.2-inch tablet when fully unfolded. Using advanced hinge technology, it effortlessly switches from a slim and lightweight phone to a larger, dynamic tablet. When folded, it still functions with a conventional 6.4-inch AMOLED display, maintaining a resolution of 1080 by 2320 pixels, allowing users to make calls, send messages, and interact with apps without needing to unfold. This feature is ideal for everyday use, while its expansive 7.9-inch square screen, accessible when partially opened, is perfect for multitasking, such as running 2 apps side by side. Huawei's selection of materials further enhances the Mate XT's appeal. Made with aerospace-grade materials, the device combines durability with sleek design. Weighing 298 grams, the Mate XT balances portability and sturdiness, boasting a folded thickness of just 12.8 millimeters, thinner than many traditional smartphones. This thoughtful design aligns with the needs of consumers who value both aesthetics and performance, making the Mate XT a standout in an evolving smartphone landscape. Specifications redefining mobile standards. What makes the Mate XT stand out in terms of specs? The Mate XT is a marvel of user-centered design and high-performance technology. Its Kirin 910 chipset, built on 7nm technology, provides solid, reliable performance. Although not the most advanced chipset, it handles demanding applications and multitasking with ease. The Mate XT offers multiple memory options, including up to 16 GB of RAM and storage options from 256 GB to a remarkable 1 TB. This memory capacity ensures smooth performance even during intensive tasks, whether users are streaming, gaming, or running several apps. Battery life is another standout feature. The Mate XT's 5,600 mAh silicon-carbon battery supports rapid 66W wired charging and 50W wireless charging, allowing users to enjoy extended usage without frequent recharging. AI-driven power management further optimizes battery life, ensuring the device lasts throughout the day. The Mate XT's triple-camera array adds to its appeal, featuring a 50MP main camera with a variable aperture from f/1.4 to f/4.0 for high-quality photos and various lighting conditions. Additionally, a 12MP ultra-wide and telephoto lens enhances versatility, while an 8MP front camera meets selfie and video call needs. With these features, the Mate XT provides a complete photography solution, appealing to photography enthusiasts and casual users alike. Impact on the global smartphone market. How does the Mate XT shift dynamics in the smartphone industry and challenge established brands? Huawei's Mate XT has disrupted the global smartphone landscape, especially with its innovative trifold design setting a new standard for consumer expectations. As demand for foldable phones grows, the Mate XT positions itself as a front-runner in this emerging market, encouraging brand loyalty shifts with its unique features and advanced specifications. The timing of the Mate XT's release, coinciding with Apple's iPhone 16 launch, speaks volumes. By launching their flagship device just hours before Apple, Huawei signals it's not merely keeping pace, but ready to surpass rivals. Some customers, traditionally loyal to Apple or Samsung, may reconsider their preferences after experiencing the Mate XT. Huawei's record-breaking 6.5 million pre-orders, achieved without requiring upfront payments, underscores consumer interest in innovation. This enthusiasm may push other manufacturers to accelerate their foldable device releases, adding to the rapidly expanding foldable phone market. Beyond sales figures, the Mate XT's success encourages other brands to invest in research and development, fostering a tech environment that thrives on innovation. Shifting consumer preferences in a digital world. How does the Mate XT reflect changing consumer preferences in today's digital landscape? As more people rely on smartphones for communication, entertainment, and productivity, the demand for adaptable, multifunctional devices is growing. The Mate XT, with its ability to transform from a smartphone to a tablet, meets this demand, making it ideal for users who need versatility. Increased multitasking needs are shaping consumer preferences, particularly with more people working remotely and studying online. The Mate XT's multitasking capabilities, allowing users to run virtual meetings or watch videos while working on documents, cater to this demand, offering a device that enhances productivity. The Mate XT's aesthetic appeal also resonates with consumers in a market where design matters. The trifold mechanism showcases Huawei's commitment to innovative smartphone design, combining both style and functionality, a key factor for tech-savvy users who value both. Furthermore, Huawei's eco-friendly approach to materials and manufacturing is appealing to environmentally conscious consumers, reflecting a broader trend toward sustainable technology. Challenges and criticisms for Huawei. What challenges has the Mate XT introduced for Huawei, and how does the company plan to address them? Despite the Mate XT's impressive features and pre-order success, Huawei faces notable challenges in securing its place in the global smartphone market. Concerns about foldable phone durability remain significant, as previous foldable devices have struggled with screen and hinge issues. Aware of this, Huawei has invested heavily in research to develop a reliable folding mechanism for the Mate XT, which features a Z-pattern hinge to reduce screen strain and ensure smooth transitions. Rigorous testing has been conducted to reassure users of its durability. Huawei also faces intense competition in the premium smartphone sector. With its high price point of $2,800, the Mate XT may deter cost-conscious consumers, especially in regions where affordability is crucial. By positioning the Mate XT as a luxury device with unmatched features, Huawei targets a niche audience willing to invest in cutting-edge technology. U.S. sanctions and geopolitical tensions present further obstacles, limiting Huawei's access to key markets and resources. Despite these challenges, Huawei aims to remain competitive by developing its own technologies and partnering with local manufacturers. Cutting-edge technological features of the Mate XT. How does the Mate XT's technology set it apart from other smartphones? The Mate XT is more than a smartphone, it's a showcase of cutting-edge tech that transforms how users interact with their devices. Its trifold design, enabled by a complex hinge system, provides seamless folding and unfolding experiences, allowing users to switch between phone and tablet modes effortlessly. The Mate XT's AMOLED display delivers vibrant colors and deep blacks, enhancing both gaming and media experiences. With a 120Hz refresh rate, it offers smoother transitions and animations, adding to the immersive experience. This blend of advanced display technology ensures that the Mate XT delivers a visual experience that matches its aesthetic appeal. Driven by Huawei's Kirin 910 processor, the Mate XT's AI capabilities elevate performance and camera functionalities. For instance, the camera's AI-enhanced features allow for intelligent scene recognition, ensuring high-quality images in various lighting conditions. Additionally, the AI optimizes battery usage, extending battery life without sacrificing performance. Huawei's App Multiplier feature allows users to run two different applications on separate parts of the screen, increasing productivity by enabling users to refer to resources on one side while working on documents on the other. This innovative feature underscores Huawei's dedication to improving multitasking capabilities. Market reaction and future prospects. How has the Mate XT's reception affected its market position and future potential? Huawei's Mate XT has generated significant interest, with over 6.5 million pre-orders demonstrating the market's enthusiasm for foldable technology. Although its $2,800 price has sparked debate over its value, many consumers appreciate the Mate XT's versatile design and transformation capability. Consumer reviews highlight the advantages of the Mate XT's tablet functionality, especially for multitasking and productivity. While some users praise its unique design, others express concerns over its long-term durability. Huawei's response to these concerns, through transparency and durability assurances, will likely shape consumer trust in the Mate XT. Beyond sales, the Mate XT has invigorated the foldable smartphone market. Huawei's innovative approach is inspiring competitors to invest in similar technology, signaling a potential surge in foldable device releases and encouraging continuous innovation across the industry. Navigating global challenges. What are the challenges Huawei faces in introducing the Mate XT to global markets? Despite its success in China, Huawei faces significant hurdles in global markets. Stringent international regulations, particularly from the US, have restricted Huawei's access to key markets and technology. This impacts Huawei's efforts to expand in Western regions, where brand loyalty to Apple and Samsung remains strong. Moreover, consumer skepticism about foldable technology persists in Western markets, with previous device failures creating caution around durability. Huawei addresses these concerns with rigorous testing and transparency to assure buyers of the Mate XT's robustness. In the face of these challenges, Huawei's strategic investments in R&D and partnerships with local manufacturers aim to enhance its competitiveness. As Huawei navigates these obstacles, its success with the Mate XT could pave the way for future growth in the foldable smartphone market.